One of the things I've learned with Net Promoter is one of the great advantages of when someone gives you a 10, how likely you'd recommend us, and then they explain why. The act of writing it actually sticks it into their brain in a place where you can access it and you remember it. So it actually makes it more likely that you'll tell friends about it. So it really is good and important to get people to write it down. It also creates your next advertising campaign. One of the things that Scott Cook and Intuit mentioned to me is, well, we just look at the verbatim comments and we get to see how it is that we're solving the customer's problem in the customer's own words, and then we understand better what it is that we need to reinforce in our advertising and in our design. So learning from the customer through the verbatim, yes, of course, spreading the verbatim across the internet has obvious benefits, but I think it goes way beyond that. It goes right back to your own employees, how they feel about their work, how proud they should be, and how they can actually get better and do the job better.